South Africa are on a roll in the Super 8 and have made their case stronger for a place in the semis. South Africa are on a roll in the Super 8 and have made their case stronger for a place in the semis. The Proteas have won their first two matches in the Super 8 against USA and England. However, their win over West Indies in Antigua on Monday would take them straight to the semi-finals. After losing their first match in the Super 8 to England, West Indies have found their mojo back with a big win over USA on Saturday. Can the West Indies carry on the momentum when they clash against South Africa? For more insights on this Super 8 encounter in Antigua, tune in to our video. South Africa's batting in the group stage was below par, but they somehow managed to pull off wins and qualify to the Super 8s and are in a good position to make it to the semis. Can they lose the Chokers tag this time around? South Africa versus West Indies in Antigua on Monday is a crucial match and could decide the two semi-finalists from Group 2. सर विवियन रिचर्ड्स स्टेडियम नॉर्थ साउंड एंटीगा ने 2024 T20 वर्ल्ड कप में 6 मैचेस होस्ट किए हैं, जिसमें से 5 बार टॉस जीतने वाली टीम ने पहले फील्डिंग चूज की है। टॉस जीतने पर मैच जीतने का परसेंटेज 50% है और इस वेन्यू पर टूर्नामेंट में पहली इनिंग्स का एवरेज स्कोर 120 है और दूसरी इनिंग्स का एवरेज स्कोर 106 है। एंटीगा में हाईएस्ट T20I स्कोर 197 है, जो साउथ अफ्रीका ने यूएसए के खिलाफ इस T20 वर्ल्ड कप में बनाया था। इंटरेस्टिंगली, एंटीगा में लोएस्ट T20I स्कोर भी 2024 T20 वर्ल्ड कप में ही रिकॉर्ड हुआ था, जब ओमान को इंग्लैंड ने 47 रन्स पर ऑल आउट कर दिया था। एंटीगा की पिच बैलेंस्ड है और यहाँ बैटर्स और बॉलर्स दोनों के लिए मदद है। बैटिंग आसान होगी क्योंकि यहाँ का बाउंस ट्रू है। West Indies are unlikely to change the playing 11 that featured in the match against USA. Shai Hope opening the innings has clicked for the West Indies and they may not bring back Brandon King. The South Africans would also stick to the same playing 11 unless they would like to replace Reza Hendricks in the opening slot. In overall 22 T20Is played between West Indies and the USA, the head-to-head record is even with both the teams winning 11 matches. In T20 World Cup, both teams have played each other on 4 occasions, with South Africa winning 3. Nicholas Pooran is currently the top run scorer in the 2024 T20 World Cup with 227 runs in 6 matches. The wicket-keeper batter is in great form and would be key in the clash against South Africa. Andre Russell is a key player in the West Indies T20 side, and in this T20 World Cup he is proving his worth with valuable contributions with the bat and the ball. The all-rounder has so far picked 9 wickets of 6 matches in 2024 T20 World Cup. Quinton de Kock opening the batting in the T20s makes a lot of impact for South Africa. He entered the T20 World Cup after a poor IPL season but rediscovered his form back in the ICC tournament. De Kock usually performs well in the ICC events. Anrich Norgay has been having a successful outing in the 2024 T20 World Cup. He has so far picked 11 wickets in 6 matches. Quinton de Kock hasn't had great success against Alzarri Joseph in the T20Is. The fast bowler has dismissed de Kock once in 4 innings and the Proteas wicket-keeper batter has scored 16 runs off 12 deliveries bowled by Joseph. Nicholas Pooran against Anrich Norgay will also be an interesting matchup as Norgay has dismissed Pooran twice in 4 innings. The experienced middle-order batter is a crucial cog in the South African batting order. David Miller has the brilliant ability to bat according to the situation. He would be the experienced middle-order batter is a crucial cog in the South African batting order. David Miller has the brilliant ability to bat according to the situation. He would be a hot pick for South Africa. Reza Hendricks will be an avoid pick because of his poor form in the 2024 T20 World Cup. In 6 innings, he has scored only 80 runs. Akeal Hosein has been one of the bowlers among wickets in this edition of the World Cup. In 6 matches, he has picked 9 wickets. He would be West Indies' hot pick. In the match against USA, Romari Shepherd was left out. The bowling all-rounder has had a poor outing in the 2024 T20 World Cup, especially with the ball. If at all he is brought back by the West Indies in the playing 11, he would be an avoid pick. In head-to-head records in the T20Is, there are no real differentiators between the two teams. If we look at it from the 2024 T20 World Cup point of view, then West Indies have played better cricket in the tournament. South Africa's batting has been below par in the tournament. West Indies has 60% chance of winning and South Africa 40%. Nicholas Pooran is in great form and will be a fine choice for captain. Anrich Nortje is our vice captain. और आखिरकार हमारे फैंटेसी 11 में हमने 7 वेस्ट इंडीज और 5 साउथ अफ्रीकन प्लेयर्स को शामिल किया है। डेविड मिलर, ट्रिस्टन स्टब्स, रोवमन पावेल और शर्फेन रथरफोर्ड बैटर्स हैं, जबकि आंद्रे रसल, एडन मार्करम, रॉस्टन चेस 3 ऑलराउंडर्स हैं। अकील हुसैन एकमात्र स्पेशलिस्ट स्पिनर है। बैकअप प्लेयर्स में रेजा हेंड्रिक्स, केशव महाराज और मार्को जेनसन हैं।